Hi, my name is Yosef. I'm 35 years old. I live in Zarzir. It's a small village in the north of Israel. I'm talking about 9,000 people. All of them are Bedouin. I want to talk about our organization. We use a lot of methods to educate kids from ages about 5 years old until 21 years old. One of our methods is to use the soccer game as an international language. Through the football, we teach the kids how to cooperate and love each other, and to be a leadership in the future. We start very small. We start about maybe 20 kids, and now a lot of people see our
like
work.
A lot of people like it.
Yeah,
And we began to grow.
I can tell, for example, that in the last 2 months, we just take a group of Jewish people and Arab people, and we just, make a tournament between each other, and we mix the groups, and we just make the children play one with the another, not one against the another, and it was amazing. It was in the local newspapers, and I got a lot of feedback, a good feedback, a positive feedback, and now we want a lot of support, not only mental support. We need, sometimes we found each other that paying from our pockets, and we really have a passion that these things and this project continues, and got a lot of success, and we in the local in Israel and maybe abroad.
And the people like this idea, and they began to grow, and we now go out to Europe, to all the world, to come to see what we doing, and we need a good people to come to show what we doing. Yosef, we are believed we can do it, and we do it in Israel because we are Bedouin, and it's different to be Bedouin to like Israel. We like Israel, we like the people, we like peace, and we want to grow here together forever.
Yeah,
and peace.
I agree with you. And without your help, without your support, we don't want this project to stop. We just really want to go with that flag that behind me, to go really proud. We are living here in harmony, in peace, Arabs and Jews and everyone live together, and that's our vision, that our message
to live. It's good place. All the world think about Israel. We are Israel. We like Israel. We keep Israel. We show all the world we can live here together in this country, and to do sport together, and to do army together, to live together, and to go it Israel forever.
Yeah, this is our
It's
message.
my dream.